Good morning, friends. Today we shall discuss a very common point being faced by each and every SSC under the Income Tax Act, that is, treatment of income of a minor child. See, as per the provisions of Section 64 of the Income Tax Act 1961, income of a minor child is to be clubbed in the income of the parent whose income is higher. Means, if the income of father is higher, income of minor child shall be clubbed in his income. If the income of mother of a minor child is higher, income of minor child shall be included in the income of the mother, irrespective of the fact from which source the income is arriving in account of minor child. But there is an exclusion if the income earned by a minor child involves particular skills, then that income shall not be clubbed. I mean, if the personal skills of a minor child earns some income or brings some income to a minor child, that shall not be clubbed in the income of the parents. However, a certain exemption is given under Section 1032 of the Income Tax Act, that is, if the income of a minor child is added, is clubbed in the income of the parent, he or she shall be eligible to a deduction, to an exemption under Section 1032, 10 subsection 32 of an amount of rupees 1500 per annum per child and maximum for 2 children.